Okay, I can't believe this. This thing hasn't turned a wheel in 40 years, well, almost 50 years, 45 say, since 1973 or 4, one of those years. Not only does the radiator still have coolant in it, but there's no sign of rust in the coolant. It's draining out just beautifully. I gotta pull the radiator out anyways, because I want to obviously repaint the car, and it's going to get painted in the engine bay, and the engine needs some cleaning up. But if I pull the spark plugs out of this thing and turn it over at the harmonic balancer and it spins, I may have just saved myself an entire rebuild. I know it has 40,000 original miles on it, but who expects a car to sit that long and have perfect coolant in it? Just wow.